Good afternoon, YouTubers, family, and friends. I am really happy with the microwave, and here is the new dishwasher that our son picked up and brought it back home. Brought it in all by himself, and we're so thankful for all his help. And here they are, getting it ready to put in there. And he did such a nice job. It's all even and everything, so it's super nice to have. So thanks again, Paul. We appreciate that if you're watching this. And let's see what else is going on. We have our grandson today, and we went to a buffet last night with our daughter, our son-in-law, and their son Elijah. And I'll show you a picture of him. But this is Paul putting some floorboards in the kitchen to finish up that. It's been a while since we put up the car siding in the kitchen, but at least we're getting it all done now. So here's fast motion and getting things done.
Those two yellow pegs, you put them. That's good.
Oh, okay. Good job wiping the table off, though. Oops.
Are they hiring people or? I'm not sure.
Whee! Good job. Here's Elijah having a little snack before his nap. Literally 10 minutes ago, I sold the old dishwasher, so that is so nice to get it out of the office room. New YouTubers, family and friends. Today I cut up some potatoes that we had and put them in the pan here. I'm going to slow cook them. And I was hoping to give some to our daughter when she gets back. They're moving and they're cleaning up the new house to their liking. So making extra potatoes. And I'm really liking the microwave. And it's really, really nice to have. And today somebody at 4 o'clock is coming to look at the old dishwasher. And so I'm just trying to clean up the house, do a little cooking. Our grandson is over also, and he is taking a nap in where the dishwasher is. But I, bordered it off so he can't get hurt or anything. So anyway, when he wakes up, I have a little snack ready for him and just trying to clean up the house. And I really am liking the new dishwasher. It cleans the dishes very well, so we're real happy with it. So far, so good. Whee! Good job.